Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to view security certificates on a Samsung mobile phone. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up settings on your mobile device, and then you need to click this settings, and then here at the mobile settings, and then you need to find and locate this security and privacy, and then click again. So here at security and privacy, and then you need to select this other security settings, and then click, and then here at other security settings, and then you need to find and locate this view security certificates under at credential storage, and then you need to click. And then here you can see now this view security certificates. So we have two options here like system and then user. Okay, so this is the user and the other one is system. All right, so what is this view security certificates and mobile phones? So a quick info regarding this. So this mobile certificates provide an added layer of security for mobile based transactions, ensuring that only authorized users can sign documents or access sensitive informations. So all of these are the sensitive informations regarding your security certificates on your mobile phones. So you can view all of these certificates. Alright, so that's it guys. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest phone mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.